What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Since my US General cart video was so popular, I figured I would take a quick video of my work setup. I am a professional BMW technician. This is my box at work. It is a Cornwell, what was this, custom series, I think? 84-inch toolbox with the hutch. I have the snap-on power end cap hooked on the side of it. All the air tools, electric tools, chargers and everything in there. And then I have a Cornwell Tools locker on the end of it. And here at work, they're very organized. This is where I have to make all the money. So there. Plenty of tools. Let's see this one here. This is where all the big tools are. Thermal imager, scan tool, cylinder leakage tester, timing chain tools, fuel system service kit. The mini ductor, heat gun, AC tools. So yeah, that's my main box. Lots of different things in there. Then over here I have a Cornwell Tools cart I use basically just to move around the shop if I have to. It has screwdrivers, pry bars on the side of it, storage in the back, and then I also have this snap-on welding cart. Got my Miller welder and my Hobart plasma cutter in there. The fluid remover, and you can also put fluid back in with that. Got a Blue Point engine holder for if I'm dropping a subframe, don't want to take the engine out. Cornwell Tools trans jack and underhood jack, and I also have a Cornwell Tools core jack. So yes, I have spent way too much money and time on tools, but it's required for the job. I think I'm at the point now where I could start my own dealership if I wanted to. I like to have all my screwdrivers and everything up in the top, easy to access. Got the snap-on jump pack. That thing's horrible. I would never buy another one. It will not turn on if there's no voltage at the battery, which is kind of pointless out of a jump pack if you ask me. Well, yeah, that's pretty much my work setup. Nothing much else I can think of. You know, every drawer's, I try to have it pretty well organized so I can find what I'm looking for. Yeah, maybe someday I will do an in-depth toolbox tour. This is just a quick video to do what kind of setup I have. So yeah, see you guys later.